How to create poll in Messenger in 2023. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Messenger, and here you have to tap on the group where you want to send the poll. After that, in the left bottom corner, you can see the dotted square. So simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see the location and poll option. So you have to simply tap on polls. After tapping to it, you have to enter your questions in the first row. After entering your question, you have to add option over here. By doing that, you have to tap on create poll option, and a poll will be created and sent to your group, where your group members will be able to vote. And by doing that, you can create a poll in your Messenger. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.